Hey, what's up guys, it's me Aaron here and I'm back again with another video. So in this video I'm going to actually talk about a mic which has been in trend with a lot of YouTubers. Not in these days, but for a time now. I'm talking about the Blue Snowball Ice microphone, which is kind of a semi-professional mic from a company known as Blue, which is really popular in these mic products. Today I'm going to be unboxing it and show you guys how it sounds. So if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. So without any further wasting time, let's jump right into the video. So first and foremost, I am going to start this video by showing you the box itself. Now if you look at the box, you see a icy blue design with the mic photos in front and the sides of it, and it clearly shows that it's a Blue Snowball Ice microphone. By the way, this microphone also comes in a black edition, but I preferred to go with the white one instead. Now let's take an overview of the box. So in front you're gonna find a big photo of this mic itself. Also on the sides you see the photo of the microphone with the stand that is included in the box, which we are going to take a look at it. And on the back you see some more details about the mic. Alright, now let's quickly open the box and see what we get inside of it. So when you open it, you see that it is well packaged so that it doesn't get any damage in shipping. And if you go item by item, I'm gonna just show you what we get inside of the box. So we get an instruction manual on how to use this microphone and some information about it, which I'm going to just skip. Also in the box you're gonna see the microphone stand itself, which I think is a nice thing that they included that, and it's a hefty microphone stand. It will always be helpful if I want to use this microphone on a desk. Also you get a USB cable for this microphone. The quality of this cable is really nice because it's braided from the inside and has a rubber coating on it, which makes it a lot sturdy, and it's like 6 feet in length. Alright, now it's time to take a look on the microphone itself. Now you're gonna see that this thing is circular in shape, also has the branding blue in front of it, and that's the place where the microphone's front face is. So if you want to speak to it, you will have to directly speak to the blue branding in the front. Also, if I show you the back of this thing, you are going to find the connector for the USB cable that you have. It's available with printers too, so you can use a printer cable with this thing if you lose it. Also, I should mention that this microphone is a cardioid microphone. That means it is meant to record vocals as well as instruments. So if you want to do voiceover with this thing, or you want to play instrument in front of this, it is built for that. Also, I would recommend you get a pop filter for this thing to keep in front so that you get a more clearer sound out of this microphone. Alright, let's take it out and let's connect everything to the microphone and see how it looks. So now taking a first impressions on this thing, it looks sturdy and isn't gonna fall off easily from your desk. So now that we have taken a look on the device, let's see how the mic qualities out of the box is. So this is the mic quality of this Blue Snowball Ice microphone. So this audio is coming straight out of the mic itself. It has not been edited at all, and this is how this sound. If you keep it more closer to your face, this is how it's gonna look and sound. So do let me know, how do you guys like the audio quality of this mic in the comment section down below. I would love to hear it from you guys. And that's basically it for today guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, and if you did, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, the review video of this microphone is coming out soon, so make sure you're connected to the channel by subscribing it, and for more upcoming videos. Anyways, this is Aaron Sedera signing off for now. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.